For a while now, I've been contemplating whether I should start daily vlogging or not. Drone shots. A couple of reasons why I've been debating the topic. One is quality. As much as I would love posting every day, I have to make sure that whatever I'm posting is good content, stuff that you guys would actually watch. There are a ton of people on YouTube posting lousy content, whether it's drama, whether it's pointless conversations, pranks that are usually rehearsed. Now, I'm not judging. Those people are extremely successful right now. I'm still very, very small. I am in no place to judge. Not judging. But I do care about what I put on the internet, and I do care about the type of content that I'm posting. So I want to make sure that whatever I'm posting is quality and it is something that you guys enjoy watching. See, YouTube is all about an audience, building an audience. And once you have that audience, once you have that community, you're able to express your thoughts, your ideas, and that goes into my second point. I'm thinking about changing my name. No, not my legal name, my YouTube name. Impulsive Traveler was an idea that that came up from my friends. So I would react or do certain actions based on an impulse, and they started calling me Impulsive. So I said, how about I document all of the adventures that we have and all the impulsive things that we do on YouTube? Although that was a great idea at first, it gave me a ceiling. And what do I mean by a ceiling? It limits or restricts me from the type of content that I can be making. For instance, impulsive travel. That means I'm limited to speaking about traveling. That's the issue. There are so many topics to cover. I like tech, I like adventures, I like travels, I like food,
2 hours later.
A bunch of stuff. So by creating that ceiling, I'm limiting the potential that this channel can have. And of course, I want this channel to grow as big as possible, and I'm very thankful for how it's grown in the last couple of months. I mean, 1,000 subscribers already, that's amazing, and I'm very thankful, and I thank all of you guys, because you guys are the first 1,000, which means that you guys mean a lot to me. So be prepared to see a whole variety of topics and subjects being covered on the channel. Join me for the ride by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. Before I end the vlog, I also wanted to say congratulations to all the graduates of 2019. You guys did it.